Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today we from team of compound verb. We will presentation about the compound verb. So I'm Alfiero Ramadan Kurewan as a moderator and the member of Hanum Fatika, Destita, Ezara, Cindy Patricia, and Andini Corona. So the first we will the presentation from the Andini.
Okay, thank you, Alfiero. Okay, I will explain the first slide. That is, what is the compound verb? Typically, a compound verb is defined as a verb that consists of multiple words combined together. Compound verbs can take the form of a single word, as in backslide or sidestep, a multiple word press, as in open up or turn back, or multiple word connected by a hyphen, as a jump start or double click. Although they may look unusual, compound verbs are still verbs. This means they can act as a predicate, can be modified by adverbs and must follow all the same rules that verbs do. If you are having a little trouble with verbs, it might be a good idea to review our great explanation of what verbs are and how we use them. Maybe that's all. Thank you. Next.
Okay, thank you, Andini. The next speaker, we will the presentation of Jestita.
Okay, thank you. So in this slide is talking about compound verb example in sentence. Now that we'll learn more about the different type of compound verbs. The example one is the airplane took off early in the morning. 2. She deserved up for the fancy dinner party. And 3. Bill cleaning the mess up. Bill cleaned the mess up. 4. We meant to go hiking yesterday, but we were too busy. 5. I was sleeping during the movie. And 6. By the time Scott arrives, his sister will have been studying for 2 hours. 7. The prince was trouble-crossed by his cruel uncle. 8. The pit crew supercharged the race car with a new types of fuel. That's all for me, and thank you.
Okay, thank you, Justita. So next, the new delivered of material will be continued by Hanum Fatika.
Okay, thank you, Alfiero. I will talk about the 6 types of the compound verbs. Is 1. Prepositional verb. Verbs can take on a slightly or even a very different meaning when a preposition is added to the end of them. And 2. Why with a phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is the form when you combine a verb with an adverb of preposition. The meaning of the resulting compound verb isn't always obvious by looking at the 2 words in isolation. Also, the adverb of preposition can be moved after the object and still make perfect sense. And third is auxiliary verb. Verb can also be preceded by an auxiliary verb to form a compound verb. Variations of the to be are the most common, but other auxiliaries are oftentimes used too. And the fourth is the single word compound verb. Whether or not 2 of words are connected with the hyphen, you can form a compound verb by combining 2 separate words, either of both of which may or may not be a verb on their own. And the 5 is the sentence with a compound verbs. And even better ways to illustrate how compound verbs and the function is to see them in the action in the example sentence. And the last is the compound verbs in quotes. You can also see the compound verbs in the action via adding the quotes. Okay?
Okay, thank
Thanks.
you, Anu Fatika. Now we are in the last on of will be delivered by Cindy.
Okay, thank you. We move to the example. First is prepositional verb. The example is believe in, ask for, and rely upon. 2 is phrasal verb. Tear up, take away, take down, and work on. And number 3 is was swimming, will be considering, will meet, and are running. Okay, next slide. Number 4, single word compound verb. The example is color code, double click, rely on, wear away, and waterproof. Number 5 is sentences with compound. The example is Mary will take off her makeup before bed. The town was destroyed by the tornado. And then everything will work out eventually. And the last is compound verbs in quotes. The example is I look forward to an America which will not be afraid of grace and beauty by President John F. Kennedy. And number 2, although all 3 musicians had been playing earlier that night, they had not been together. Eric Nicholson's Open Skies. Sonny Rollins and his Word of Improvisation. Okay, I think that's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Cindy, for the delivered. So, I think, okay, here is the presentation for our group about the compound verb. So, I hope it can be understood. That's all. Thank you. I'm Alfira Ramadan Gunawan and our team. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.